Well, last week's storm caused quite a bit of damage across western Massachusetts, leaving many trees down. 22 News reporter Nick Oresco spoke with a local insurance agency to find out who pays when your neighbor's tree falls on your property.
Yeah, well, many people have misconceptions about who is actually responsible, and the answer, well, it may surprise you. When a tree falls in the woods and no one's around to hear it, it usually doesn't matter. But when your neighbor's tree falls on your property, it begs the question, who is responsible? The short answer, if your neighbor's tree falls on your house or yard, you are responsible for the deductible and cleanup, not your neighbor.
Wherever the tree lands, that person owns it, whether they own the tree or not.
We visited King and Cushman Insurance in Northampton Monday to get some more answers. After last Wednesday's storms hit western Massachusetts, the agency received 11 storm-related claims. Half of those claims were because a tree fell in someone else's yard.
Most people can't believe that if the tree is in the neighbor's yard but lands in theirs, that they're responsible for it. And, you know, we always tell them, maybe go over there and talk to them, do the neighborly thing and see if you can get them to maybe split your deductible with you. But as far as insurance goes, wherever that tree lands, it's your responsibility.
Yeah, it's also encouraged that you take any pictures of the tree or the damage and to call your insurance company right away after it happens. We are live in Northampton this evening. Nick Oresco, 22 News.